Hey, friends, welcome back. Are you ready? Try your luck today, then let's play. Choose your gift, black, white, or red edition. Choose your bedroom. Choose your watch. Choose your food. Choose your ice cream. Choose your pet. Choose your sneakers. Choose your laptop. Choose your sunglasses. Choose your gift. Choose your headphones. Choose your motorcycle. Choose your bathroom. Choose your pool. Choose your ring. Choose your car.
And now it's time to pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.